Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete friend in Fortnite. Now when I say how to delete, I basically mean how to unfriend somebody. You cannot just delete somebody's Fortnite account. You need to be owner of that account to do that. To delete your friend or to unfriend a friend, first you need to click your profile picture at the top right. Once you click on your profile, you want to click on this icon over here. It is going to show you all of your friend. So the friend which you want to unfriend, you want to scroll all the way down and see where he is. So let's say the friend I want to unfriend is this person named Swat. If I want to unfriend this guy, I need to click on his name and I need to click on more option. Once I click on more option, it is going to show me remove friend. I need to click on remove friend, click on yes. Once I do that, he will be removed from my friend list. And once he's removed from my friend list, he won't be able to invite me to his game. He won't even see if I'm online or offline, or he won't even see my name in his friend list. That is basically what this is going to do. So that is how you guys can remove or delete someone from your friend list on Fortnite. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.